Hello.
Hi.
So it's Friday the 10th of September. That's what it is. We're all together again for a nice snack surprise. Today we've got USA, which everybody's quite excited about. Got some nice things. So that's what we've got in. Gemma's going to do the reading out again. There you go, Gemma. Are we all ready? We're starting with crisps. And we'll go for Ruffles, cheddar flavour Ruffles. What's it about, Gemma?
Crunchy potato crisp with the savoury flavours of cheddar and sour cream and some Ruffles.
So, what flavour was it again, Gemma?
Cheddar and sour cream.
Smells very cheddary. What's funny about smells very cheddary? Oh, June will be thinking something road. Oh yeah. Cheers everybody.
Yes.
Alright. You like them? Pass them back round, Gemma. Get one out, pass them back round. Pass them round, please. So, thumbs up, down, middle. Oh dear, thought that were going to be a 4 thumbs up. But Thomas isn't right happy. Okay, staying with Chris, are we?
Yeah.
I've tried them before.
Cheetos Flaming Hot Crunchy.
I've tried them in America.
You're going to read it?
A spicy corn flavoured treat, it's crunchy texture and hot spicy flavour in it.
Oh, these are like knickknacks, aren't they?
They look red hot.
I don't think they're that hot. I tried them.
Yeah, and cheese.
Cheers. I reckon they're hot, aren't they? That's hurting my tongue. Did you just bring?
I don't like them.
No, too
I like the
spicy
crisp,
hot.
I like the texture of the crisp, but the flavours too much.
They're not that hot.
You need a drill. Look at you saying they're not hot.
Pass them back, see if Thomas wants another. You're laughing at. We are a happy family.
Not that hot. But anyway, you kid them.
Yeah,
They weren't that hot last time.
there's about 52 different varieties of them, so you probably had a different flavour. Eat it, because they're not that hot.
Can you save them?
I'll just share them. Alright, so did we give a thumbs up, thumbs down? Down for me. Kids up,
When you eat them
adults
more,
down.
they're not
You ready to read next one? Cheez-it, white cheddar.
Dad, not
Like
right.
rich,
Crunchy fresh crackers made with a tasty cheese flavour, tasty savoury and salty and impossible to have just one.
It's impossible to have one, so I'll take 2.
Fudge.
You want that hot?
They were well quite spicy for her.
and some mustard.
Hey June, cheers.
Cheers.
Surely it will be nice.
Alright.
Can't really taste them.
They taste like them. Dad,
Not much flavour to them.
Dad, what are them things called? What you get in like a packet of these circles?
Disco crisps.
No.
You've got a weird aftertaste.
Yeah, they are. I'm not keen on
Don't
them.
like them.
No, a bit sickly. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 1 up. Right. What next, June? Do you want to stick with biscuity type things? Or do you want to go on to sweeties? Alright, so we've got combos stuffed snaps. Do you have that?
Try it.
I don't like it's coming out of my head.
Crunchy oven baked pretzels with cheese pizza flavour filling. Create the perfect hunger management snack.
What is it?
Looks like one of them long sticks that's been cut up into bits.
What do you mean?
You know them bread sticks that she likes?
Then cheese ones.
Oh, they're not.
What?
What is it?
I know what you mean. I like
They're
the
like
cheese ones.
bread sticks but cut into smaller bits.
With stuff in the middle.
Yeah, the more you eat them, the more different the taste.
God.
If they had cream cheese in the middle, then
Middle
they'd be
for me.
nicer. I don't
Why
like
do
them.
it taste like that? Do you think it's because
Up or down? So 3 downs and a medium, so that's a downer. I'm going to have that one now.
No,
No, that one.
Sandy Wheel.
because I know I like that one. So
Alright.
it's a bit nice.
Which one next then?
Well, that's
We've got these ones.
No, Mum, do them last because they're sweets.
Pop tart them.
Yeah. Don't you have to put them in toast?
No, you can eat them.
So these are a new kind of Pop-Tart. Pop-Tarts Frosted Hot Fudge Sundae. Said you can have them hot or cold.
They're already baked.
They're already done. So we're going to have them cold so we don't have to...
Don't sweet them.
Well, yeah.
Delicious toasted pastry
Pastry.
with a yummy filling, the perfect snack to enjoy at home or
So
on
it
the
looks
go.
like just a normal one probably. I'll pass that on to them two to share.
We haven't had Pop-Tarts in ages, have we?
Rip it in there.
But Pop-Tarts are quite expensive, aren't they?
Yeah.
Would be nice hot, wouldn't it?
Sometimes when they're hot they're too hot.
I'm not impressed.
And give it to them.
You like it? It's like soggy.
Huh?
Well,
You don't have
well, you can't wait if you put that in our toaster, all that come off, wouldn't it?
No, it would melt, wouldn't it?
It's like icing in it.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Thumbs up, thumbs down. Emma? Max is doing alright. Chocolate.
Dad, do you want to do the...
You're going to do these little ones.
Yeah, I'll start with them. Butterfingers and
Number 3.
Musketeers.
3.
3 Musketeers.
Is that what it's called?
Yep.
Or have we got mini size?
I love them before.
I think I'm going to put things
I think these are like Milky Ways, aren't they?
We had them on.
Yeah. I'll have to read out.
It's like a Milky Way.
Dad, it says which is better, a bar of crispy peanut butter or fluffy whipped mousse coated in chocolate.
Okay. It's just normal for me. I'm going through these quick. So now we're doing Butterfinger. Again, it's a small one, a little bit melted.
Got peanut butter in it.
Just biscuit.
Like a honeycomb centre
What like
and chocolate round, what did it say?
Like
I
crunches.
just read it.
Did you?
I
Okay.
think they have got a bit of peanut butter in top. No. I like them. Yeah, I graded it.
Graded.
Sounds lagging.
Whoa,
Flagging.
I've got blood taken off. Loads of blood. Meter. So, Gemma shows me this is a different one to the M&M's that we tried.
Yeah, because it's fudge.
This is M&M Fudge. What did we try then?
Brownie.
Okay. So,
Crispy sugar shells filled with a dairy fudge brownie filling, a twist on the classic M&M's. They're nicer than others.
better than ones that we had, but we're still
They're bigger than others.
not as good as nut.
M&M's got to have nuts in.
Well, M&M nuts have.
Well, these have nuts in them.
We're going to smile for that camera because I haven't seen a smile tonight. Don't know if anybody else has.
Well, yeah, they have.
Have
You
they?
don't look at them.
Mama.
I don't know that. She
What?
wants to do math. I think.
But you want them last, we can't have tens of last. We've got
Well, I'm not sucking a lot.
butter butter, lollipop.
When everybody else is sucking at me.
Well, that's just between them two because I don't want no lolly. What's this lolly one then, Gemma?
Tootsie Pop.
You suck it first, Thomas.
A hard candy lollipop filled with the chocolate flavoured chewy Tootsie Roll candy.
What
Hard
flavour?
Tootsie Roll, then them little chocolate
No, can I
squidgy
do it
things.
then?
Well, me and your mum aren't going to do it. I'm not sucking on anything that you've had your germs on.
What's it taste like?
Not like chocolate.
Chocolate's on the inside.
I don't even know what flavour that is.
Which
I
side
lit-
did you have?
I've got,
You put it
That
in.
side.
yeah, that sounds.
You have to put it on to get to know what chocolate.
So I'd say it'd be alright if I got to it. June said no, she don't have lollipops. What are you, Thomas? Up. Yeah, do you want to put it in there? Give a thumbs up or down for it.
I might save that for later.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Well, I don't really know because you can't taste it yet.
That doesn't help.
What's made that after and she's
That doesn't help with video, does it? So, Gemma's most looking forward to this. Swedish Fish.
Oh, can we not do them last?
No, because your mum wants these last and we've got a drink last.
Look at that. No, don't chocolate then.
Oh my goodness, you're all
Right.
nutter butter then.
This is USA's best-selling peanut butter sandwich cookie. It's sweet and salty, delicious, so you just can't get
Have
enough.
we had these before?
This is quite good, isn't it? It's in the shape of a peanut. A monkey nut, isn't it? Monkey nut.
Oh, just 1 inch.
Can't go wrong with peanut butter stuff, can you? Although it looks like Joan don't like it.
No, I'm going to what for.
Tastes like biscuit. Can't taste the peanut butter.
Up, down. I like them.
What biscuits?
Peanut butter.
Them plain ones, them not nice.
What's in there?
Did you read that one out?
Sure I did.
Swedish Fish.
Have you had these before, Jen?
Yellow. They're not on here.
But no, look at another page.
What flavour is supposed to be for?
Strawberry.
So I don't know how this is going to taste with all the peanut butter I've got stuck in my mouth.
They're not on here.
Okay, well. Just like a wine gum.
I already know I like
Strawberry.
these.
It's like wine gum to me, isn't it? Softer wine gum. I like them.
Are they still mine?
Oh, what?
Are they still mine?
Unless Thomas wants to share them, then you give half
I
each.
want to.
So half each.
Right.
What are you giving? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
I gave a thumbs up.
Has it become everybody's doing everything without me noticing? Well, lastly, we've got a drink. Fanta Pineapple.
Feels a bit like
You what?
Fanta Pineapple. You what?
What's the stuff?
Right. Enchantingly delicious taste of pineapple in your favourite Fanta soft drink. Bright and instant refreshing.
Everybody's been gagging for this.
Oh, that's nice.
That's it long then.
Give him some time.
So while we're all drinking that, we've been doing these snack surprises now for well over a year and a bit.
It's quite nice.
And we've just got another one that's come today. And it's actually same as one we've had before, exactly the same turkey. So what we're doing is we're going to be cancelling them now because we don't know whether they do just keep repeating over and over. But we've got this one what we're doing now. We've got a German one to do, and then we've got that other one, turkey, another turkey, which we've done one turkey. So that'll be it for snack surprises. Me and Jen have still got a few snack crates to come, and then we might either switch to something else or we might just start buying them. Let me have a sip first before Thomas gets it. So did anybody have any, did we have thumbs up for pineapple for me? Down, up. Anybody have a favourite?
Defo. These two.
I'm going to say them peanut biscuits, what we had, I actually like them. June?
Can't think what we had now.
If you remember the last one we did, New Zealand,
Butterfinger.
June liked them peanut slabs, chocolate slabs. So we managed to find a shop that sells them, so she's been topped up with them to keep her happy. You thought what? Sorry?
White Butterfinger.
What I said, what you give me?
That in yellow packet. That little
Oh, the little thing, but I don't know.
finger.
What were your favourite, Thomas?
Probably the Cheetos.
So what are you two taking? You sharing the Swedish Fish between you? You're having all Cheetos, are you? Yeah?
You won't let me.
What? You won't let you what?
What? I'll share it.
You get half each if you're sharing things out. Anyway, they can fight off camera, so hope you enjoyed that one. That were America. It wasn't as good as I were expecting. I was looking forward to the American one because I thought it'd have loads of good stuff. But it wasn't as bad as some of the other ones that we've had, but it wasn't like I expected with all the brand names that we're used to and what we've seen before. But hopefully you enjoyed that one. Thank everybody for joining in with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.